So I have a 1980 Jeep CJ7 with a non-tilt column, and I took it apart to clean up some stuff and noticed this was missing a few parts. They had a bolt with a spring in there to make contact with the horn. I was having trouble finding the part without paying $65 at one location and $35 at another. So I found this for $15 total. That's my old one. I picked up Dorman part number 83233 and 83230 from AutoZone. They said it's about $15 and almost identical. This part is the same, and the big thing with the non-tilt is these little nubs right here. And then on the spring set, what I had to do to make it work is this pin, the head on there, would not fit in here. It was a little bit too big. So I stuck this in my cordless drill, took it to a piece of sandpaper flat on the workbench, spun it round and round, and just kept checking it until it fit nicely, not too loose, but not tight where it'd hang up. And then we take our spring here, got the spring in there. Take your pin, slide your locking collar over it, and drop it in there, and lock that collar down. And there, just like new. And then once I install it, I can take it back off and trim this to the correct length that I need so it's not sticking up too far, but that's it for now.